Hello and welcome to this honest review of Creative AI 2.0. Now, Creative AI 2.0 is software that has lots of AI tools in it. You can apparently create full Ultra HD videos with AI animations, you can tell stories, you can do talking head videos, AI character videos, AI cartoon videos, AI celebrity videos, 3D things, 3D ads, all this amazing AI stuff for one-time fee of $15. So today I'm going to review this software and I'm going to see if it lives up to the hype. So I've logged into Creative AI 2.0 and you can see these are all the AI tools we've got. So we've got 12 AI tools. I don't know if I'm going to go through all of them, but certainly let's look at the video one. So AI storytelling video. Let's have a look at this because most people are going to want to do AI video. So let's have a look at this. So we need to give it some basic keywords. I'm just going to go for Hollywood 4K. So I've clicked that. Now, unfortunately, all this really is, as far as I can see, is stock footage. There's no way an AI has made this. This is just stock footage. So I clicked on Hollywood 4K. I've got loads of Hollywood clips that I can download, so I can go and download this. I'll do another search. Let's search for business meeting. So here we have lots of stock for business meetings. Yeah, this is just stock. That's all it is. So now let's have a look at the AI spokesperson video. So we can make a AI spokesperson apparently, but we need to provide the image. So I'm currently using Artistly to generate an AI character and hopefully I'm going to get a good one that I can use. So this is an excellent picture. So I'm going to download this and I am going to use this in Creative AI. So another thing I had to do was not only provide the image, but I had to provide some audio, and you do that through this choose file button. So I provided some audio. I really wasn't sure it was going to work, but I've been told that it'll be ready within the hour and I will get an email when that's complete. Now we can create stunning storyboards with an intuitive AI tool. Let's have a look at this one. This is not creating a storyboard. This is your standard image style editor that you get with all these softwares. So if I go to template library, I can make certain things. I can make this. And this is just a YouTube thumbnail. You get this with all these softwares. This isn't anything new. This isn't an AI storyboard. This is just a thumbnail creator. I'm going to try AI Animation Studio, which seamlessly turns text into engaging animated videos. So now we're in some sort of AI Animation Studio. I only really make YouTube videos, so I guess I'll click YouTube Shorts. And so now we're in this YouTube Shorts video creator. It's not, designs are coming soon. There's a stock library I can access. So I'll search for office. So there's a video about an office. Let's put it in there. Let's pause that. There are images. I can add some text. I can add some elements. That looks fairly officey. I can filter things. I don't see how that's a filter. But you know what? Let's put it in anyway. Oh, there's a filter. It goes on the top. My mistake. I'm going to delete that. We can add some audio and we can mess about with the layers. So maybe I'll put the filter on and I'll go to the layers. Nothing happens. So that's not very impressive. Really, that's not using AI at all. I'm definitely not going through all of these, but I am going to try as a last-ditch attempt the Creative AI engine. So let's load this up. So generate content suited for any blog or social media post based on your text. Okay, so make a post for a coming YouTube video promoting a coming YouTube video about using AI for video making. Let's have a look at this. And there was a microphone button so we could speak it instead of typing it as well. So we have a quote by the looks of it, and this is certainly something I wouldn't use completely. I wouldn't use this. So I must say that you get 12 AI tools for this, and I really don't think this is very good. I haven't tried all the tools because what I've tried so far really hasn't impressed me, and this costs $15, and there is a coupon where you can get $4 off, so I paid $11 for this, and thankfully there is a 30-day refund. I don't think this lives up to the hype. I don't think this lives up to the sales page, but do let me know what you think. Thank you. Goodbye.